guys, so I'm back with another kind of like coding kind of video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys you are able to see a new button over here and new button over here, and if you open any project you will be able to see something um there is a pop-up says that the new MIT App Inventor gallery is here. So in today's video I'll be telling you what is gallery over here in MIT App Inventor. Is it photos which is stored in our gallery, or is it something else? Basically I'll just explain to you. It is like Play Store in MIT App Inventor. It's a kind of Play Store made by MIT App Inventor. So here you will see two buttons. Publish to gallery means if you want to publish any application, you can just publish over there and become a creator. Okay, you can publish your apps. So now if I click on login to gallery, so it opens a new tab over here, and it shows something like this. Here you can see MIT App Inventor gallery is written, and if you scroll down you will see some of the latest projects which are being uploaded. See, so which are the latest product projects, or kind of most famous, you can say, projects which are uploaded. You can see sort by name, your apps, featured apps, and gallery home. Okay, so now if I click on featured apps, I'll get some of the most viewed apps, or a most like. Here you can just like some apps if you like that. It's something like that. Here even I had created my creator account, and so these are my apps actually. You can see if you click on load app to MIT App Inventor, means it will be stored in your apps. Okay, you can report it. You get other projects by the same author. If I click on this here, you can see these are the other projects which are made by me. So if you want, you can just give a like this. Okay, and you get all the buttons. Actually previously it was a bit different. Now they have made it, you can see, remove app from gallery means for me, I get this option. Whereas if you are searching this app, like say, you can just search over here ATN Tech and click on search. Just wait. Yeah, if you just go down, you'll find all my applications. Like you can see the chat new, and fun with maths, and latest chat, and so many other apps are there. Okay, so as this is mine, you can see it shows all the informations. And yeah, if you can just have a look and just go ahead and click on this like button over here. Okay, um so yeah, this is something which is called gallery. Well, how do you upload or put any apps, okay, to the gallery? I'll teach you guys now. So guys, first of all, what you have to do is you get a checkbox. Okay, I'll just show you. You can see you get this checkbox, right? Just check it, and here, okay, here you just have to go ahead and click on publish to gallery. It will open another window, and here you can see you can just name the app, and here you can put the description, like how, what you want, like bold, so many things you can do. Actually this is the new one, so it's a bit different. Before it was very simple, and you can put credit, like did you copy this app from somebody else, and more info means like anything about this. Okay, and if you want, you can put the uh, you know you can just put the logo and check if you want your app to be findable with a search. Okay, you can just check it if you want your application to be it should, if you want it to be found. And if you click on submit, the um, the application will be submitted. Okay, so yeah, it was something like that. I just hope it you guys found it helpful. What was gallery? That's what I just explained in this video. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.